Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Cypress is a modern end-to-end testing framework that is designed to make testing web applications easier and more effective. It is built on a new architecture that differs significantly from traditional testing frameworks, and this allows developers to write tests that are faster, more reliable, and easier to debug. Overview of Cypress architecture. Cypress operates on a unique architecture that consists of several key components. 1. Cypress Test Runner, the core of Cypress, which runs the tests in a real browser. It provides a user interface to visualize tests running in real time. 2. Node.js Backend. Cypress runs a node.js server that handles test execution, file serving, and test configuration. It communicates with the test runner to execute commands. 3. Browser Context. Cypress runs tests in the context of a real browser, allowing tests to interact with the application just like a user would. 4. Cypress Commands. Cypress provides a rich API for interacting with the application under test. Commands are shenable, making it easy to read and write tests. 5. Automatic Waiting. Cypress automatically waits for elements to be available and actions to be completed, reducing the need for manual waits and timeouts. Cypress Test Structure. Cypress tests are written in JavaScript and typically organized in a Cypress/integration directory. Each test file can contain multiple test cases, which are structured as follows. Describe block, groups related tests. It block, defines an individual test case. Example test. Here is an example of how to set up a simple test using Cypress. 1. Install Cypress. First, you need to install Cypress in your project. You can do this using npm bash npm install cypress save dev. 2. Open Cypress. You can open the Cypress test runner by running bash npx cypress open. This will launch the Cypress GUI, where you can see example tests and create new ones. 3. Write a test. Create a new test file in the Cypress/integration directory, example.spec.js. JavaScript. Describe, my first test, equals. It, visits the kitchen sink, equals. / visit a web page. Sci.visit, https://example.cypress.io. / assert that the page contains a specific text. Sci.contains, type, .click. / verify the URL. Sci.url, .should, include, /command/actions. / get an input element and type into it. Sci.get, .action email. .type, fake@email.com. .should, have .value, fake@email.com. / get a button and click it. Sci.get, .action btn, .click. / assert that the result contains a specific text. Sci.get, .result, .should, contain, your email has been submitted. Explanation of the example. 1. Describe, this function is used to group related tests. Here, we have one group called my first test. 2. This function defines a single test case. In this example, the test checks if the application behaves correctly when visiting a specific URL. 3. Sci.visit, this command is used to navigate to the specified URL. 4. Sci.contains, this command searches for an element containing the specified text and clicks on it. 5 sci.url, this command checks the current URL of the page. 6 sci.get, this command selects an element based on a CSS selector. 7 .type, this command simulates typing into an input field. 8 .should, this command is used to make assertions about the state of the elements. Hashtag running the tests. After writing your tests, you can run them from the Cypress test runner. Simply click on the test file you created, and Cypress will execute the tests in the browser, showing you real-time results and logs. Hashtag conclusion. Cypress provides a robust and easy-to-use framework for end-to-end testing. Its architecture is designed for speed, reliability, and ease of use, making it a popular choice among developers. By leveraging its powerful API and automatic waiting features, you can write effective tests that help ensure your web application functions as expected.